Though his jaws do look menacing, don't worry folks, he's just away into Storybook land. And what do all good stories begin with? Does anybody know? Anyone?
With a light?
Once upon a time. And once upon a time there was a big bad wolf and 3 little pigs. One in a straw house, one in a stick house, and one in a wolf-proof brick house. As we turn the corner, we come to an English cottage. This English cottage is home to Alice, who one golden afternoon followed a rabbit down the rabbit hole, where she went down, down, down into Wonderland, and things got curious from there. But if that's not your cup of tea, on the right is London Park, where Peter Pan took the darling children over on their way to Never Never Land, where they never have to grow up. But if you look straight ahead, you'll see the city of Agrabah. This is where a street rat named Aladdin bumped into a princess named Jasmine in the marketplace. Not only did he steal bread that day, he also stole her heart. And under these archways is where Aladdin took Jasmine on her first magic carpet ride, over, sideways, and under, to a whole new world. And now we approach the Cave of Wonders, where Aladdin was sent to retrieve a magic lamp. Legend has it, if you set the genie free, you'll be granted 3 wishes. Let's all make a wish while in the cave and see if it comes true. And on our right is a cozy cottage, home to the 7 dwarfs, who welcomed in Snow White when she fled the evil queen. You can still hear them whistling while they work. But on our left is a castle on the hill where Cinderella attended a royal ball. But when she missed the stroke of midnight, her carriage turned back into a pumpkin, which you can see on that bridge. But don't worry, folks, Prince Charming found Cinderella, and they lived happily ever after. Okay, you're going to see the fireworks. I'm going to move up to where we can see it. Fireworks? The only thing is those trees just get in the way. At least you can see the castle ones and those. Yeah, that's over. And you'll be able to see the ferry that flies across.
Oh, really?
Yeah, and here, what's his name from Big Hero 6?
Baymax.
Betamax, thank you. If he's still flying, I'm not sure.
From Storybook.
she is.
This is so cool. You see Genius driving by.
You'll know when it's done because this whole place will look lit up like daytime. Oh, that's the finale. You were right.
I thought you were being dramatic.
No, right? That was so great. Yay, that was good, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, guys, now back to my little spiel. Sorry, after that neat thing.
No, I love
It was great.
That was awesome,
The
huh?
best place.
Now I know where to come fireworks. Oh my word.
Okay, guys, that was so much fun. Okay, so I'm going to talk about the ride again. So dreams do come true here in Storybook Land, like seeing the fireworks. And Rapunzel, who dreamed of leaving her tower and seeing the floating lights. And on her 18th birthday, she let down her golden hair and escaped her tower. With Flynn Rider by her side, they had many journeys and eventually got to see the floating lights. But coming up on our left is Toad Hall, home to Mr. Toad, Rat, and Mole. But sorry folks, Mr. Toad's not in right now. He's on a wild ride to nowhere in particular. Under those snow-capped mountains is the city of Arendelle, home to Elsa and Anna. This is where they discovered something more powerful than Elsa's magic. They discovered the power of love. And straight ahead in this alpine village is where Geppetto carved a puppet named Pinocchio and wished him to become a real boy. Once Pinocchio saved Geppetto from Monstro's belly, the Blue Fairies granted that wish, and Pinocchio became a real boy. But this brings me to our last story here in Storybook Land about a little mermaid who traded in her fins for wobbly legs when she met Prince Eric. That's right, Ariel followed him to his castle by the sea. But Ariel had to give up her underwater world in Atlantica. She gave all that up and became part of our world. Thank you guys so much for joining me here in For Your Safety.